thing reminds me of mine when I first got it, except that's a little Ohio rust belt getting to them. So they're getting old. They are. Take care of your 9th gens, people. Yo, what's up, everyone? No, I did not buy another Civic Coupe Si. This is actually a customer's, and it's here for what is supposed to be a clutch issue, possibly a new clutch. Me personally, I don't. One thing I've learned over the years is trust but verify, and I don't trust that it needs a clutch yet until I actually take it around the block and see what's up. A little bit of snow coming down today in Ohio. It's cold. I figured this would be a good test drive. I've got to go 2 blocks away to grab something real quick, so it'd just be perfect. And I'm going to take you guys along with me and just kind of run through my diagnostic and how the car feels, and just overall what I think if this thing needs a clutch. Oh, this thing makes me miss mine. It's so nice in here. Beautiful. All right, I'm not even gonna lie, this is so weird for me. This is like flashbacks to when I first got my car. I mean, the stock shifter, like, oh dude, this thing's like rowing a boat. Wow, this thing's really nice. Actually, so the deal is, she's got 220,000 miles, and if you know Hondas, that's about when you want to replace the OE clutch. But once again, these things are so specific, you know, what he's describing. Apparently there's slippage in high gears, which is a clutch. And so right now I'm feeling the clutch, and yeah, this pedal is really bad. That right there, like, that is really bad. I don't know, like, there's no way to describe this, but like, I mean, it is like right there is where it starts to grab. The pedal's really bad. So now that we know that, we're actually going to start the car, and hopefully it's, well, yeah, the EB works. We're going to start the car, and we might not even have to test drive this. Beautiful, man. All right, we're just gonna put it in gear and slowly let it out of the clutch and see if this actually stalls. If it stalls, that's good. It's what it's supposed to do. But if it does not, then that's pretty much our telltale sign that it does need a clutch. So here we go. Yeah. All right. This, get this EB up a little more. Yeah, this thing definitely needs a clutch. I'm still gonna take it around the block because, you know, I just want to verify and double check that this is what's going down. Obviously, I let this thing warm up because I'm not a freaking menace. But, yeah, just to double check, like, I mean, this thing is, like, that is taking way too long. My foot is, by the time my foot's off the pedal, this thing is, like, I'm not gonna lie, drove it around the block. I had to grab something from the old store right here. And, this clutch pedal feels really bad. Apparently, the customer says that as he were to drive it, it gets worse as he goes, which, you know, that makes sense. At the end of the day, I think we've got a bad clutch on this 9th gen, and I just wanted to show you guys how I would go about it. And this thing's coming in the shop tomorrow. It really feels weird being in this. Makes me miss my car, bone stock. It's fun to drive. It's very, very basic, but you know, these cars are awesome, so it's pretty cool. Figured I'd take you guys with me in today's video of how exactly I go about troubleshooting something like this. Honestly, at 220 something thousand miles, it's to the point where it needs a clutch no matter what. It's just a maintenance wear item. At the end of the day, he's getting a new clutch, and this car should feel great. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video where we're actually fixing this thing. Be sure to subscribe.